Welcome back to Shop Talk. With me here, I have the brand new Divo Knives Small Boy exclusive in CamoCarbon 80s. This one is obviously smooth. We have the milled option as well. We'll talk about more of these here in a second. I have new knives from Jack Wolf, new knives from Tempest Knives, a restock of a leather slip, probably one of our most popular. Some new 3D stuff I want to talk about, so I want this video to be pretty short and straight to the point, so let's get into it. Alright, real quick, before we get into some knives, I have to show you this video, and I completely forgot to show you, actually it's a few videos, but I forgot to show you these videos last week in the Shop Talk. But a few weeks ago, Brian and I, along with some other friends, we went to the Dayton Air Show, which I have not been to the Dayton Air Show for 15 or 16 years, probably since high school. But it was a blast. I want to show you guys some videos, so let's roll it. So I consider myself a pretty big airplane nerd. I've always loved airplanes. That was the F-22 demo team, a reenactment of Pearl Harbor, and of course, the world famous United States Navy Blue Angels. So it was a good time. It was a good weekend. Quickly, I do want to talk about the mid-year stats for the business. So let's talk about them. We are a week into July. I want to go over stats from January 1 all the way through the end of June. And what we'll do is we'll compare them to last year's stats. So obviously January 1, 25 to end of June of 25. So I'll put the graphic up. Orders are up by 10%, which is obviously awesome. That's exactly what I want to see. This is really cool right here, 42%. So discount usage is up 42%, which is exactly what I want. I want you all to use the rewards program. That's what it's there for. It's to give back to you all who not just buy, a few knives here and there, but you guys are buying consistently every day, if not every day, but every week. So again, thank you so much. I love seeing that the discounts and the rewards program is being used. Returns are down 9%, which is great because Brian, myself, Matt, Enzo, we put so much time into marketing, pictures, videos. I want you all to be able to shop the website, look at the knife, watch a video, see exactly what we see here at the shop. That way, when the knives do arrive in your hands, you know exactly what it's going to feel like, going to look like. There should be no surprises. So, gross sales and net sales. Let's talk about them. Gross sales, down 9%. Net sales, down 7%. I am not worried about that whatsoever. There's been a few weeks in March and April that's taken me out of the shop. I haven't been able to put as much time and effort into marketing like I would like to. But considering that 2024, 2025 were incredible years, like 2 years that really just pushed us into the next level, I am perfectly okay with being down 9% in gross and 7% in net. Throughout these next few months, I'm going to push hard into marketing and all that. So I think we'll be able to hopefully get back to matching 2025, if not just push right through that. And I really want 2026 to be that year that really just keeps pushing us into the next level. So, oh, and real quick, the returning rate and new rate for you all customers, returning rate 65%, which is awesome. The new rate was 35. So that's great too, right? I mean, you don't want, a heavy, let's say 90% return rate and only 10% new. You want that, in my opinion, I think you want at least 60 returning and 40 new. That way you have your platform with all your returning people, but also your new people who's hopefully seeing all the social media, YouTube, word of mouth, website, newsletter, shop talk. So all in all, I'm very happy with where we're at. We have a lot of room to grow for the second half of the year, but I'm excited. Here is the Divo Knives Small Boy exclusive CamoCarbon 80s versions. There are more versions with Divo and other Divo retailers, and I'm pretty sure Divo has every single option on their website. Just to preview, I think they sell maybe 3 or 4 versions, but if you want to see like other versions through their retailers, like how CamoCarbon 80s will be exclusive to us, make sure to visit divoknives.com. But again, we will have the smooth version, which turned out really, really good. Also, Matt and I think Enzo went through every single one, and we only found one bad, smooth CamoCarbon version that really didn't have a lot of color. It was just kind of dull. So the fact that Matt and Enzo were able to go through all of these, check the quality, I am feeling very, very confident in the release. Oh, and if you guys have, so let's say you really want this knife, you place an order, you submit order notes. Even if you submit order notes, please email us if you want like a specific color, you want like heavy pink or heavy blues, heavy greens, whatever it is that you are looking for. Make sure not only that you place the note when you submit the order, but that you email us too, because what I'll do is once these release, obviously they begin to sell, sales are coming in or orders are coming in, I'll manage the emails as well. And any email notes, we'll attach them to the order notes as well. That way we know to pick you guys out, whatever you guys would like. So again, this is smooth. This is the milled option. And please keep in mind, this is the small boy. I'm already getting people that are confused. I'm getting messages, emails. This is not the tall boy. This is the small boy right there. So just keep that in mind. But again, 2 exclusive versions to me. Milled CamoCarbon 80s and smooth CamoCarbon 80s. These release Friday, July 10th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. Make sure to use an affiliate code. If you use an affiliate code, it gets you your 10% off, which knocks it down. So these are $229, both options. And so what? 10% of 229 is like 206 something, I think. So make sure you use an affiliate code to get you your 10% off, and of course, free shipping. I almost forgot to show you all. I turned off the lights. I have a UV light here. Kind of weird. But so if you have a UV light and you shine it across this CamoCarbon 80s, it really makes it pop. Now, it's not glow in the dark, as you can see there, but the UV light really does bring out every single color in both of these versions. Look how good that looks. It's just something that's really neat, I think. This next one is called the Mach 71 from Tempest Knives. You all know the owner, KC. He also has a YouTube channel called Knives Fast. Love the dude. Just an awesome person within the knife community. But this is his design with his company, Tempest Knives. Again, Mach 71. This is blue anodized titanium. S90V blade. Not sure if I already said that. Then you have some milling right here at the top. And I believe that's the shape of the blade is supposed to represent like the cockpit of the, is it SR71? So obviously Mach 71, the SR71. So pretty cool. Blue anodized. And then just your regular gray with a hand, or I'm sorry, not a hand satin, but a belt satin finish. These tie in really well together. Jimping all the way up to about the curve of the blade spine. Reversible pocket clip. Check him out on the site. You can use an affiliate code. You can also use his affiliate code, so Casey's affiliate code, which is KnivesFast10 for 10% off. I've gone over our 3D printed stuff before, but I think it's been a while. We have a ton more colors. This is called the breakdown tray, which, it seems like we're selling a ton of these, but we're also selling a bunch of our organizer trays. So like the KPL knife shield, the KPL micro swabs, and the KPL oil. And I just made these for fun. Little coasters that resemble the Walk and Talk newsletter mascot. So if you want a breakdown tray, or you want a cleaning organizer tray, or just a fun coaster to lay your drink on, check them out. Again, whole bunch of colors. These are only, let's see, so these are $15.99. The coasters are $2.99. And let me see how much the organizer trays are. $6.99. So a whole bunch of colors. This one's actually glow in the dark, but check them out. I think you guys will like them. Our Ravens Fire Buttero slips are back. Again, this is our premium logo leather line, which is thicker. Obviously, it's because it's the Buttero leather. But by far, probably one of our best selling slips. I think people just like the black and the red stitching. But again, Ravens Fire. If you go to the website, click on leather products, you'll find a whole bunch of our premium logo slips there, along with our older vegetable tanned, which the vegetable tan leather is just a little bit thinner than this thick Buttero. But honestly, they're all really good quality. My leather guy does such a good job. And you know what these tie perfectly into? These tie perfectly into the brand new Stockman. This is from Jack Wolf Knives, a part of his Gateway series. Let's close the blade here and see how well this fits. Oh yeah, it's a perfect fit. Look at that. Perfect fit. Check it out. Again, whole bunch of different leather slip options. If you don't like black and red, we have other colors and materials. So here we go. This is the Jack Wolf Knives, the brand new Gateway series Stockman. And no, it's not a 3-bladed Stockman, it's a single-bladed Stockman. So really it's kind of like a Stockman Jack almost, but I love it. You have the fat, wide handle with a beautiful clip point blade. That is so good. 5 different options, all ranging from $69.99 to I think $79.99. So this one is your Kieranite root beer. Probably my favorite. But I also love root beer, so. All right, we have 5 options. Number 1. You guys can guess what this is. Abalone. Look at the fit and finish. Great walk and talk. You can't get any better than that right there. Great centering. Fit and finish. That's oil there. Fit and finish is really good. Again, abalone, the second version. Green micarta is your third version, which looks really, really good. We have smooth blue bone, which will be your fourth version. I would have loved to see a smooth red bone. I wish I could have had an exclusive in this one. I think smooth red bone would have looked so good. But of course this blue bone looks good too. So number 4, last but not least, CamoCarbon Watermelon Sugar. Matt has inspected every single one. They were all good to go. Again, great walk and talk, great overall fit and finish. Check them out on the website. These release next Friday, July the 17th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. Let me know what you all think. That looks really good too, the CamoCarbon. Love the looks, really, of all the handles. But this one does pop too. But let me know what you all think. I think these will be very, very popular. All right, that wraps it up. We have Roastcraft that we'll go over next week. And then we'll talk more about these beautiful Jack Wolf Knives Gateway Series Stockmans next week as well. So hope you all enjoyed the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, follow us, all that good stuff. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.